Alright, here is our 2009 Chevy Avalanche. It's got 102,000 miles on it, burgundy in color. It's got the 17-inch wheels that go along with that. Running boards. The tires that are on that are brand new. Like I said, it's got 102,000 miles on it. LT package. Got a power seat. 4x4 there. You have XM OnStar capabilities with this one. Back seat. Swing around into the rear here. Trailer package. Also got a bed mat in there. Avalanches come standard with that. So again, it went through a 172-point inspection. We do have a 5-day money-back guarantee on all of our purchases and a 3-month, 3,000-mile Burt Watson warranty.